the transformation in HTML and CSS. In the HTML, it's basic a div class with a box class, and on the text is written hover me. And in the style CSS, I choose this body in which the display is flex and justify content is in center, align item center, height is 100 vh. Okay, and in the box, its height and width is 150 pixel. The background color you guys can check, it's like steel blue, and color of the text is white actually. Okay, and the display is flex, justify content is center, align center, and transition transverse actually. Transition is to transform into 0.5 seconds. Okay, and the box hover, whenever I hover on this like this, it would work, it will translate into for x. In the x-axis it will translate into like move with 40 pixels and will rotate by 30 degrees. Okay, this is 30-degree, and scale is like 1.2, like it increases its size. So that's how you guys can do this. If you guys really need this, it's on my GitHub in the transformations. Okay, transformations, you guys can check it on my GitHub profile. Thank you.